Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today friends, I will share with you how to refund a key in G2A platform. So go to your keys from here, this option, after login your accounts, and then go to this section for your keys, as you can see here in this section, and then click order history, this option. When you click on order history, you will see your order. For example, this one, this is the order. Just click contact a seller from this option. When you click contact the seller, you will see this page. Click on contact a seller, click accept seller propose a refund, click this please refund in this plate key. This one, click accept. Write your all details from your order, such your topics. You click on the conversation, start this one, write your order number, write your refund, this option refund, and then click on the send a message. So friends, this is how you can do. Go to your order history and this option. You will open the order, click contact seller. After that, click on refund. Seller proposes a refund and click accept. This is how you can do actually. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.